Okay, ladies and germs, what I did is I borrowed a drill press from a buddy of mine, and I had it up on the kitchen counter, and I drilled some holes. I had to go through this end, come through here, and then I countersunk that just a bit. The problem is that the drill press that I used with the drill bits and the way the press is set up, it's not a really big one, so I couldn't go all the way through. So I basically had to just hold it in my hand and make sure it was centered and just like rise it up like that real slow. This is what we have at this point. I still have all the other polymer furniture on there, but this is what I have. It's screwed in pretty sturdy. The next thing I'm going to have to do is start staining. I was waiting for this, and now we can get going. And she's going to be pretty. Oh, and I also had to drill a small hole in the stock because I have a swivel that gets screwed into there, and that's where my sling is going to be. So, looks good so far.